Good morning, everybody, or should I say good day. Tim Haefke from Top Notch Trading with today's MrTopStep update on Wednesday, January 21st. Well, I'm here to just show you a quick illustration of how the opening ranges are key on a day-to-day basis in the S&P. And I'm going to start out how the Nasdaq and S&P mirrored each other in their trading formations and so on. But we're going to start out with the E-mini SPOO. We saw a pit open up at 9.5 to 11 even. The mini made an 11 quarter high right here this morning. It followed with an ensuing move down to its lows, 5 quarter low in the S&P, 06 even pit low. Well, within 5 minutes we found that low at 835, and in the next 6 minutes this move came above the opening range and it surged up to 24 quarter, a 19 handle range in 6 minutes. At 841 we made this highs, but this is what the key is. It comes all the way back, make a 12 low. It holds the opening range. The ensuing bounce gets up to 21, a lower high, so now they're in indecision. But when they came back down and made another higher low at 13 quarter in the mini, they took out the 21, and sideways consolidation action was just ready, holding those opening ranges twice though when they went down there, keyed the next move, and once they got above 24 quarter, there was no looking back, looking for 35 half, 42 half moving forward, and who knows if they're there by now. And now we're going to go over and see the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq opens today at 52, makes a 53 even high. Their move in the first 5 minutes goes down to 37. Support was looking at 34 half, fall short by 2.5 handles. But boy, when they came back and took out the 52, 53 high that took us to the low, boom, all the way up to 81. That 6 minute move was a 44 handle move in the Nasdaq. But this is what key. The key was the move down to 52 quarter low, holding the opening 53 high, 52 open. Resistance turned into support. It followed with a move to 69.75, kind of mirroring what the S&P was doing. But then it came down, and the last low was 53 that took out the 69.75 high. Consolidation trade came through. Lo and behold, once they got above 81, they found stops that triggered a move. And last week's high in the Nasdaq is 42.4775. That's their objective that would take us out of an inside trading week. Last week's high in the S&P is 51. That's their target. So moving forward, I expect this week to see the S&P, since they held last week's low, they're on their way to last week's high to take us out of the trading ranges. I'll leave it at that. Have a good day, and we'll see you on Friday.